what happened in that chamber is something that almost never occurs, particularly on anything touching firearms and law enforcement authority. 9 justices, every ideological corner of that bench, from the most conservative to the most progressive. They looked at this situation together. They deliberated and they arrived at the exact same conclusion, 9-0. No dissents, no partial concurrences on narrow grounds, no splits, a unanimous across-the-board ruling from the highest court in the land. When 9 Supreme Court justices agree unanimously on anything involving guns and police authority, you pay close attention because that level of agreement does not happen by accident. It means the constitutional line being drawn is not subtle, not ambiguous, and not open to reinterpretation by lower courts. It is clear enough that 9 very different legal minds all arrived in exactly the same place. Here is the core holding of the ruling. Every word matters here. The mere presence of a legally possessed firearm in a vehicle does not by itself constitute probable cause to search that vehicle. Let me break that down into plain language. Legal gun ownership is not suspicious activity. Lawful carry is not evidence of a crime. Law enforcement cannot treat either of those things as if they are. The court delivered a direct, unambiguous message to every law enforcement agency in the United States. You cannot use a citizen's exercise of one constitutional right as the justification to strip them of another. The Second Amendment and the Fourth Amendment exist together. They stand together. A law-abiding gun owner is entitled to both at the same time without condition, without having to choose. The court's language on this point was precise and unmistakable. Armed does not mean criminal. 9-0.